Hey guys, this is Roto, and today I mounted the GoPro on the right side of the M2, and that's because I wanted to show you guys, my iDrive resetting while I'm driving, and so I guess you guys can see it when it resets, so that I'm basically not wearing my GoPro on my head, and so I don't have the attachment so that I can mount the GoPro in the middle of the car, like in between the seats. So for now, right side it is. So let's go ahead and drive around. We'll see if, it resets. So I have some proof. But anyway, I don't know why it just started resetting it. And, really, I don't know how. So if you guys have been experiencing this and has found like a way to fix it, let me know. I do have a scheduled appointment on Friday, so I'm gonna drop the car at the dealer and give them some time to figure out why it's resetting at random times. So let's go ahead and drive. I'm probably not going to talk. I just wanted to really just show a video, right, of the car like resetting. Ooh, there's some music. Let me turn that off. I don't want to get some copyright infringement on YouTube, so. Alright. Time to drive. So right now it's on Apple CarPlay, and oh man, like that sparkling raindrop smell is just, it's freaking awesome. Like I already loved the smell of the car before, like the new car smell or whatever the actual smell is. But man, like I love it even more now. There's more cars. Come on. One more. All right. So we'll see, at least when I review the video, when it resets. Sometimes I don't notice it, but it does reset. So I'm playing Spotify right now, but I have it on mute because, again, I don't want to have any copyright infringement on my YouTube videos. So this will do for now. Route. It's 36 degrees right now. And I'm on like summer tires, but that's fine. I'm not driving recklessly, so. Oh jeez. I just want to turn right. Come on. A little more. Just a little bit more. Let's avoid traffic. It's a different route. I wonder if I can use like never mind. random times. I'm going to cry if it doesn't reboot or reset when I'm like taking a video, because it's done it like multiple times. Like I've read in some BMW forums that it could be the battery, but I don't think it's the battery, because I've been using a battery tender for like almost like 3 years now, you know, when this car goes into storage. So definitely not that. Plus I should be getting like a battery indicator, I believe. So it's 3:56. It hasn't resetted yet, or hasn't rebooted yet. I'm just gonna stick with one word, and that would be reboot. It's actually rebooting. It's not resetting. It's just rebooting. This is also iDrive. Oh shoot, I forgot which version of iDrive this is, but this is the latest version for a 2017 BMW M2. Oh, there you go. Wait, what happened? Did it reset? No? Something happened. There you go. It says it's restoring software. Software successfully restored. And then it's going to reboot. Yes! I was able to capture it. Well, hopefully the video or the GoPro captures the actual video like it's clear. So now it rebooted. It's going back again. And then it's going to start Apple CarPlay again. There you go. So, there you go. That's one reboot. Let's see how many reboots we get until I go home. This should be a fairly short drive. I tend to get like 2 to like, I don't know, maximum 4 reboots, I think. But still, like, one reboot is enough for me to be like annoyed, because it shouldn't happen. Say like the M2 has a harsh ride. I mean, sure, but it's bearable, I think. motorcycles like cars, so when you pass them, you actually go to the next lane, not just like just half past them, I guess. So it's 4:01 now. My last time check was at 3:56. So it looks like it's taking more than 5 minutes for the iDrive to randomly reboot. Sometimes I lose my settings too. So it's like a reboot and also like a reset at the same time. There you go. What is this? Contribute to product improvement. So this one also keeps popping out. So when I select something, detailed configuration, see? It's supposed to show me like a detailed configuration, right? But it's just like quitting on itself, and it just goes back to Spotify. Oh, I'm seeing other cars now that are attending our Cars and Coffee here. They're all out and about. More snow, more snow. Oh, there you go. Second reset, right? Second reboot. It's the same thing to me. But anyway, hopefully, I need to take up the volume. Anyway, where was I? Hopefully, you guys know what's causing this, so that when I talk to the BMW dealership, that at least I can explain like the why part, because right now I'm definitely clueless why it's doing that. So anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and if I'm helping you out or something, please subscribe or like the video. It's up to you, really. And that's it.